Happy Wednesday. For our craft today, I wanted to make bird feeders. They're really simple, and since we've had so many birds hanging out in our yard lately, I thought it would be fun to put something out so we can kind of see them better. So what you need for this is a toilet paper roll, or this is actually from paper towels. I cut it into thirds. You need bird seed, which you can get at Target or Walmart or wherever.
I want you to steal it.
You will. Peanut butter or nut butter or sun butter or whatever you aren't allergic to. You need string. I'm going to use dental floss because shockingly I don't have string. A hole puncher and a spatula. So the first thing we're going to do, which one do you want to do, Bubba? The middle one. Okay.
I can do it.
We're going to punch holes so that we have somewhere for our string to go so that we can hang our bird feeder up.
I won't.
Want to help? Okay. Help me squeeze. Squeeze. Okay. So I have my holes, and I'm going to do one too for me. Okay, now I'm going to open up my peanut butter, and I'm going to take my spatula. I need my spatula.
I need you to
Put it in the peanut butter. Okay. Ooh. And I'm going to spread my peanut butter all over my toilet paper or my paper towel roll. And the peanut butter is going to make the seeds stick to the roll. You don't need a ton, just enough for sticking.
I want to put one.
Okay, here. Want to help me spread?
Yeah.
Take the spatula. You got it?
Yeah.
Don't spread it on the table. Hold it up. Spread it and spread it. Till we've got a nice layer of peanut butter all over. Our roll. Is it ready?
That's ready.
Okay. I'm going to put this right here. Now the next part, Adrian, you're going to put this in here and roll it around. Roll it like this.
Eat it.
I do it. Are you afraid of getting messy? And you can see how nicely the bird seed sticks to the peanut butter. Ta-da! Now I have peanut butter in my hands. And that's okay. So I just have to find my holes. There's one. I'm going to take some of my string and I'm going to stick it through the hole. Try not to make too big a mess, bud. Hey. We don't want to pour it all on the floor. I'm going to tie it in a knot. Like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. There's my hole. Now it's ready to hang, and I can hang it from a branch, or I can hang it from my fence, or anywhere that I want to be able to sit and watch the birds come and eat. So, really simple, not a lot of crazy supplies, and you guys should be able to watch the fun birds come to your backyard. I hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you again on Friday.
I want to put it out.